What you're seeing on the screen right now is a faceless finance video style that is absolutely exploding. And no, this is not theory, not motivation. This is 100% real. I created this entire 14-minute video using free AI tools only. Let's quickly preview the final result.
How many times have you said this exact sentence in your head? Tomorrow, I'll finally fix my routine. You've said it after a bad day. You've said it before exams. You've said it on Sunday night, lying in bed, phone in your hands.
Now let me show you why this works. While scrolling YouTube, I accidentally discovered a channel that instantly caught my attention. So I did what most people don't. I dug deep, and what I found completely shocked me. This channel was created just 4 months ago, has uploaded only 31 videos, yet it already has 71,000 plus subscribers, over 3 million total views, and is conservatively earning $8,000 plus per month. But here's where it gets insane. Every single video on this channel is crossing hundreds of thousands of views. Their top video alone has crossed 1.7 million views. And now listen to this very carefully. Every video on this channel is made 100% with AI, no face, no voice recording, no editing skills, and each video takes less than 20 minutes to create. This is the power of a high RPM finance niche combined with USA-based targeting. If you do this correctly, the earning potential is not capped. There is no ceiling. The sky is literally the limit. Now, I know what you're thinking. How exactly are they doing this? What tools are they using? Can I really replicate this without spending money? And the answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step workflow to build a USA-based high RPM faceless channel and create these viral finance videos using free AI tools only. After watching this tutorial, you won't need to watch any other video on this topic. But if you skip even one part, you'll miss something important. So let's start with the absolute foundation, generating viral channel name ideas. Just use this prompt in ChatGPT. You can change the number of channel name ideas you want to generate, and it will instantly generate 10 high authority channel names, which are easy to remember, with SEO friendly positioning and have perfect alignment with finance plus inspiration niche. You can simply pick the one you like. For this video, I'm going to continue with this channel name. Growth starts now. Once you finalize your channel name, simply go to YouTube and create a new channel. Enter your channel name, set up your channel handle, also known as your username. That's it. Your channel is now live. Next comes branding. And this is where AI saves you hours of work. Simply paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Replace the channel name placeholder with your own channel name. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a clean, professional, finance-style channel logo for you. I tested the exact same prompt inside Gemini as well. And as you can see on screen, Gemini generated a solid logo too. So you're not limited to one tool. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini. Both work perfectly. Once your logo is finalized, we move to the next critical step, the channel description. Again, you'll use a simple prompt in ChatGPT. Just replace the channel name, and ChatGPT will generate a viral SEO optimized channel description. Now, this part is extremely important. This description does 3 powerful things. First, it clearly explains who this channel is for second. It explains what problem this channel solves. And third, it explains why this matters right now. This exact structure is what the YouTube algorithm prefers. It helps YouTube understand your niche faster, it improves discoverability, and it positions your channel correctly from day one. After adding the channel description, the next important step is the channel banner. And again, we're not doing anything manually. Simply use this prompt in ChatGPT, replace the channel name placeholder with your own channel name, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a clean, attractive, finance-style channel banner. As you can see on screen, I've completed the full setup for my channel. Growth starts now. Channel handle is set, logo is added, banner is live, and the channel description is fully optimized. Now comes a step where most beginners get confused. Channel tags. Most people either skip this or add random keywords that do nothing for discoverability. So remember this clearly. Your channel tags must define who the channel is. 4. Define what the channel is about. Support your first video topic. Stay broad, but intentional. If you do this wrong, YouTube struggles to understand your channel. If you do it right, discovery becomes much easier. To make this simple, I've created a perfect prompt for you. Just paste it into ChatGPT, replace the channel name, and ChatGPT will generate the most relevant, well-structured channel tags for your niche. These tags help position your channel correctly from day one. As you can see, I've already added these tags to my channel. Now, because we're building a USA-based YouTube channel with maximum earning potential, there are a few critical settings you cannot afford to miss. First, change your country of residence to United States. Second, change your currency to US dollars. Next, go to Upload Defaults, then open Advanced Settings, set your video language to English, United States, and also set your title and description language to English, United States. Now comes one of the most important settings, channel category. You must select education. This is extremely important for a finance and inspiration channel. It directly impacts RPM and advertiser quality. Next, go to community moderation, scroll down and enable hold comments with hashtags and URLs for review. This protects your channel from spam and keeps your comment section clean. Finally, go to your channel settings, open feature eligibility, and make sure all three options are enabled. Advanced features are critical for reach and trust. You can enable them by submitting documents or with a simple 10-second video verification. Once this is done, you have officially created a viral-ready, SEO-optimized, USA-based, inspirational, plus finance high RPM YouTube channel. This channel is now positioned to start getting attention from day one, and no video file name. And do the same for your thumbnail file name. YouTube reads file names, and this helps it better understand what your video is about. Second, upload timing. If you're targeting USA, UK, and Canada traffic, you should upload between 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is the sweet spot for USA-based channels, and the best days to upload are Sunday and Monday. If you've watched till here, hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, leave your feedback in the comments below, and share this video with someone you truly care about, because this one video can genuinely change their